Yes, consider this program in order to count all the letters, digits, and special symbols from the given string. Okay, so how can we count different types of symbols like special symbols, letters, and digits in the given string? So let us write a function in order to compute this. Okay, and then we can call that respective function, which will give you the result. Okay, and you can display. So this is the idea. The idea is you take a string, sample string, like consider str1 is equal to, okay. So here I am taking a combination of different special characters, okay, digits and normal alphabets. Clear? So let us consider a sample like this. Okay. This is the text I have considered. Okay. Which contains a combination of alphabets, digits, and also special characters. Okay. Now we need to call a function. Okay. So we have to implement a function where we pass this string as parameter. Okay. So I'll call the name of the function as compute. Okay. And I'll pass str1 as parameter to that function. Okay. So where I'll start computing here. So compute is the name of the function and the same str1 I'm taking here. Okay. Now we just need to count how many letters are there. Okay. That is I'll call it as character count. Okay. So character count is equal to 0 initially. And also we need to find out how many digits are there. So I'll take a variable called digit count and its value is 0 initially. And similarly, how many symbols are there? Okay, so that is special symbols. Its corresponding count also I'm taking as 0. Now let us write a for loop. Okay, so for each character inside this string 1. Okay, now we'll extract character by character from the string 1. Okay, and we'll check whether that is an alphabet or digit. Okay, like this. Suppose if the character is alpha, okay, if that character is an alphabet, then we will increment the character count by 1. Okay, so character count must be incremented by 1. Okay, suppose if the character is not an alphabet, we can check that character is a digit or not. Okay, is digit. Clear? Since the character is a digit, okay, we can increment the digit count by 1. Okay, so when these conditions are failed, then you can go to the else block. Okay, so which means we can consider the character as a special symbol where you can increment symbol corresponding count by 1. Okay, and finally we can start displaying this as part of the output. Okay, so consider here we'll print. Okay, yeah, so let us print, okay, the count here. So the count of letters is, we'll print that count of letters, which is character count. Okay, and then we also print, okay, the digits count. Okay, so how many digits are there? So that is count of digits. count of digits is digits count is maintained in a variable called digit count variable that you can display, and now we can print special symbols count. Okay, so here we can write count of symbols is. So this special symbols count is symbol underscore count. Okay, clear? Just like this. So we are basically considering a string and we are passing that string as parameter to the function called str1. Okay, function called compute, and the parameter is str1. So in this function we are computing how many characters are there, how many digits are there, and how many symbols are there. So let us run this program, and you can see the result. We are able to get count of letters is 7. Okay, so this will count how many letters are there. So you can see there are 7 letters. Now if you start counting the digits, there are 11 digits. Okay, and similarly there are 4 special symbols. So including space, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So totally 4 special symbols are there, right? Okay, so this is how it will work.